Hi, and welcome back to Unicorn Ventures Startup Acceleration Process. We're talking about the next step in the process known as the platform process. Go ahead and go to unicornventures.org to register. So, starting with the table of contents, we always start out with the startup acceleration process, at least a slide on that, so we can understand where we are in that entire process. So, going forward, why platform, platform process, and then the subcomponents of that platform process, which are going to be the white label theme, custom mod, functionality timeline, and then custom platform. So starting out with the startup acceleration process, we have organization, vision, values, and virtues, market model, platform, which is what we're talking about today, and then going into evergreen content, content distribution, domain authority process, product market fit test, list development and customer interviews, customer development, team, and financing. So why are we talking about platform? So platform is really our product that we're selling in terms of a a startup here. So when we're talking about a platform, at least initially, the features that you need in your MVP, your minimum viable product, are most likely already built in a WordPress plugin or theme. So there's no need to waste thousands of dollars in weeks or months to get to your MVP. This is going to allow you to test assumptions and find the product market fit with your solution. So the platform should be built using lean principles. One does not need to reinvent the wheel in order to get to an MVP, and the cost is a primary factor here. So the big idea is that we're going to be utilizing a tested platform that is flexible and customizable like WordPress to be able to at least get started, get some traction, go to market, test our product market fit, our language, etc. And then we can start spending real money on a custom platform down the line. And we'll talk about that in the platform process here. So you can just start out with a regular website in your MVP stage, and you don't have to necessarily worry about an app. The cheaper and sooner you get to an MVP, the better off you're going to be and the more money you're going to save. So in terms of that platform process, we're talking about a white label theme dealing with WordPress, custom mods that are already pre-built or can be custom built, and then dealing with the functionality timeline, knowing that how we're going to be progressing through different levels of functionality through time, as well as working towards a custom platform. So with regard to the white label theme, there's a marketplace that we're going to be tapping into, which uses existing WordPress themes or has existing WordPress themes that we can purchase. We can do that search by industry as well as different functionality, and then we're going to go about customizing the theme, and this is going to save us lots of money as well. We're really looking for base level functionality with regard to the platform here. Going into custom mods, there are going to be pre-built mods or plugins in the WordPress marketplace. Most likely there's already existing functionality within which we can use on our platform, or if we really need to get into it, we can go ahead and build out a custom mod or a plugin specifically for our platform. So this is going to once again save us some money if we can use the pre-built plugin, or if we have to go and make it ourselves, that's fine too. So the functionality timeline, we really should think in terms of stages here, because going to MVP or your minimum viable product does not require full functionality that you're going to have at the end of your timeline when you're dealing with a fully built product. So we're going to go about our test our language, test some base level functionality, and then we can start working in some differentiated functionality via pre-built plugins or custom plugins, and then working towards a custom platform. With regard to a custom platform, what we're ultimately working towards, as you grow and garner additional investment and really have proven out your model, and maybe you're even starting to make money, you can look to create a custom platform. You might not need to by this time, but if you decide to, for speed issues with regard to loading and some other, control and proprietary type stuff, you can in fact utilize that. So this is going to be what we just talked about today, has been the platform process, how it fits into the startup acceleration process. go ahead and go to unicornventures.org to register. We look forward to having a conversation with you.